You're watching Afsan Farm Kitchen.
Today, Tunisia blends rich Mediterranean, Arab, and African heritages, while continuing to navigate economic and political reforms with resilience.
I can't talk about Tunisia without starting with harissa, the fiery red chili paste that's basically the soul of Tunisian cooking. Imagine a blend of sun-dried chilies, garlic, olive oil, secret spices, all mashed into a vibrant paste that'll wake up your taste buds before you even sit down. Harissa isn't just a condiment, it's an identity. It's on every table in every home, and it's started to make waves around the world. I love how one taste can tell you so much about a country's spirit. Head to the coast, and you'll see why Tunisia is a paradise for seafood lovers. The Mediterranean dishes up sardines so fresh they practically leap onto your plate, grilled or drizzled with harissa for that signature kick. And then there's bricca, a crispy pastry shell stuffed with egg, tuna, capers, parsley. Break it open and the yolk runs everywhere, deliciously messy, and totally worth it. It's street food at its best, and every bite is a celebration. But the real magic happens where Mediterranean meets Berber heritage. That's where you find couscous, fluffy semolina grains topped with lamb, chickpeas, fish, vegetables. It's the kind of dish that brings families together, a symbol of hospitality that's been perfected for centuries. Every household swears their recipe is best, and honestly, I wouldn't dare argue. Tunisia's food is about history, heat, and heart. From the spice markets of Tunis to the fishing boats in Sfax, every meal is a story, bold, colorful, unforgettable. If you haven't tasted Tunisia yet, you're missing out. So next time you're hungry for something new, think Tunisia. Your taste buds will thank you.
You're watching Afsan Farm Kitchen. You're watching Afsan Farm Kitchen. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit that like button, subscribe for more food adventures, and share this video with your friends so they can join in too.